Welcome to Laser Bros. This is a brief shop tour. We are in a 45 by 100 foot shop here in Graham, North Carolina. You will see on the left we have our shipping area. We pack everything here. So we have the Albano in the office as well. And then over here we have our finishing area. We've got our tumblers, so we got our stainless tumbler, our dryer, and our carbon steel tumbler. And then further down we have, hose reels, stuff like that for running our DAs and our hand finishing. And then further down here we got our easy sander for doing our linear sanding, mostly for stainless and aluminum. And then we have our nesting area, which is where we do all our nesting. We got our whiteboard with all our work orders on it. And then we have our press brake, which is a Denner 5020 electric machine for doing all of our bending. This is Zuko, our shop dog. He's very good, very cute. Also a little bit of a menace. And then we have our 3kW machine, which is the first laser we purchased. We still use this for a lot of our thinner metals. And then, as you can see here, we're using a gantry to feed both machines from a common area. And then we have our 12kW newer machine here. And then we have our material storage area, which is where we're keeping, all our metals that we offer. We've got about 60 different metals, and trying to keep a lot in stock so we have low lead times. That is our new racking system that we are working on implementing for all our materials, which will help a lot with efficiency and workflow. So that is it. That's the shop.